Good afternoon from the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. It's Ryan, and here is what we'll be doing on today's adventure.
After a short drive through Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, Tennessee, I'll be taking you on a relaxing drive through the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, checking out all the beautiful fall leaves and views along the way. We'll make a quick stop at the Newfound Gap Overlook, checking out some of the views there and see how crowded it is here in mid-October as we attempt to find a place to park. I'll then take you on a hike to the top of Clingman's Dome Tower, which is the highest point in Tennessee, to give you a look at the amazing 360-degree views it provides, all while checking out all the fall colors we can see from the top. Finally, we'll make a quick stop at their gift shop and see what fun and unique things we can find.
So without further ado, let the adventure begin. So we're working our way through Pigeon Forge as we pass by the Old Mill District. I'm excited to work our way through Gatlinburg and get up to the top of Clingman's Dome with you. See, traffic is not bad at all here on a Tuesday afternoon, so let's drive through the spur and work our way into Gatlinburg. So we could take the bypass, but I'm actually going to drive through Gatlinburg with you guys real quick. We've got a little bit of traffic as we arrive here to Parton's Deli. Fanny Farkle smells so good right now. We have officially made it to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So I've stopped here at Newfound Gap Overlook at the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. I'm gonna head up over here and take a look at what we can see. They have some restrooms down here to the right. Well, let's go up top of here and see what we can see. So when I came into park, it's a little hard to find a spot. You can see a bunch of people waiting to get a parking spot. You do need a parking tag if you're going to be parked for more than 15 minutes. Clingman's Dome is right down this road. It's only 7 miles away, but the GPS says that it will take me 1 hour and 20 minutes to get there. I could just hang around here and show you some of the views and colors, but I really want to try to make it to Clingman's Dome with you guys. So we're going to sit in the car and hopefully the traffic's not that bad. Let's see if it does take 1 hour and 20 minutes or not. Before I hop in the car and head towards Clingman's Dome, just wanted to give you a little look of the view here at this overlook. All right, so let's take a left here. 7 more miles. We'll get to Clingman's Dome. Hopefully it moves along. So we're gonna take a right here to get to Clingman's Dome. This is where they close the road down as of December 1st and don't open it back up until the spring. So right here is actually a secret tunnel that you can park over to the side and walk down to. But we're gonna try to keep going up ahead and see how long it takes us to get to Clingman's Dome. far so good. See people coming out, which is a good sign that there'll be parking spots available. I love all these little bits of red and orange along the side of the road. It's absolutely beautiful. So peaceful up here. Oh, I see the dome. Up on the top right, up ahead. We're getting closer, almost there. As we are going up, the temperature is going down, passing by this little ice wall that doesn't have any ice on it right now, but next month should have a lot. Oh, I can see the dome up in the top left here, and we finally hit the traffic to get to it. And it is not going anywhere. So the GPS says it's 1.6 miles till we get to the parking area, and it says 20 minutes. So we'll see how accurate that is. So I've been waiting for about 15 minutes here, just inching along. So there are some spots along the road here. If I do see one that is open, I'm happy to take it. I don't mind walking extra distance to get you guys up to the top of Clingman's Dome. I'll tell you what though, I'll take this view sitting in bumper to bumper traffic over Los Angeles any day. So I've been sitting here in traffic for about 30 minutes. You can see a lot of people that are just parking on the road here. Try to get around them. Keep on coming, keep on heading out. There we go, there's another one. And another one. It's always great to see cars coming out. So I know waiting 30 minutes can be a long time, but I definitely would recommend not parking like this, as it will land you a ticket and possibly towed. So like these people right here, I did find a spot. So I'm just gonna walk the rest of the way. You can see the one-way traffic to get into the parking lot. I didn't have to walk too far. So we're gonna head over to the dome to see some great views. As we're walking along, as beautiful as the views are, I know they only get better once we get to the top of Clingman's Dome. They do have some restrooms here, but we're just gonna head straight up on the trail. As we start the half-mile trail, I just want to point out, it has a no pets sign. It's only a half-mile hike up to Clingman's Dome Tower, but it is very steep half-mile. We'll check out the Clingman's Dome store on the way back down as we work our way to the top. The one thing this video can't convey is how good it smells right now. I feel like I'm in the middle of a Christmas tree lot. It smells fantastic. As we work our way to the top, I did want to point out there are plenty of places for you to stop and rest and go at your own pace. And I also want to point out I do have self-service at the moment with T-Mobile, just like Dory and Finding Nemo. Just keep walking, just keep walking. It's a tough incline, but the view is worth it. Getting closer and enjoying some fantastic views on the way. You can see more of the reds in the lower areas. We're getting close. Almost there. We have arrived to Clingman's Dome. Love this hike. So let's walk up to the very top and check out the views. I'm telling you, this video is not going to do justice how beautiful of a day it is right now. It's absolutely gorgeous out right now. I will say I was a little bit worried about wearing shorts, but it's not too bad. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I didn't bring a hoodie or anything, and it turned out pretty good. Wow. Check this out. It's absolutely incredible. Just get views in every single direction as you walk up here. When I see stuff like this, it's just a reminder of how small we are, and it's just creation testifying that there was a creator. This is amazing. Let's walk around the tower up here. So from the tower, here's a look at the southern view with the ramp we just walked up. Here is a look at the western view with the trail we just walked in on. You can actually see Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg here in the distance with this northern view, along with some of the fall colors right here down in front of us. I bet it's absolutely incredible to come out here and watch a sunset. I know I've said this before, but this smell of the trees is amazing. It beats any air freshener you can buy at the store. So great views from here at Clingman's Dome. Hope you guys have enjoyed going up to the top with me. You can do it. Almost there. It's right around the corner. You never want to take the rocks here for granted. As we're discussing what's on the side of the trail here. As we work our way down, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support you guys give our channel. It means a lot to us. Let us know where you'd like us to go next. I hope you guys have enjoyed this virtual tour through the Smoky Mountain National Park and up to, God bless you, and up to Clingman's Dome. I think one of the next videos I'd love to do is just come up here and play some Eye of the Tiger on this last little stretch and just encourage people and run along with them with some little things of water or something. So for any of you out there that are watching at home and feel discouraged that you can't get out and do the things you used to be able to do, don't lose heart, be encouraged. I hope you enjoyed this virtual drive and walk up to the top of Clingman's Dome. Let's stop in here and see what they have in their store real quick. That closes at 6 p.m. Got lots of stuffed animals and some kids' books and some building blocks I see here at the end, which for $15 would include the tower that we just hiked to that you could buy and the kids could build. I love this Great Smoky Mountain National Park poster you can get for $30. It says sunset from Clingman's Dome, highest location in the park. For $30, you can get this Great Smoky Mountains National Parkopoly, which has Clingman's Dome as the most expensive property that you can own. And they have a Clingman's Dome puzzle. Brie loves puzzles. I picked this up for her, but I know she's very particular on the brand of puzzles that she gets. I love this shirt of Clingman's Dome they also have here in the gift shop. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed going on a drive with me through the Great Smoky Mountain National Park and going for a hike to Clingman's Dome. If you did enjoy this video, do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button down below. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let us know down in the comments where you'd love to see us go next. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.